OCO, I am proud to report the Cherokee Nation continues to expand vital services for citizens. We recently dedicated a $4 million Child Development Center in Stilwell. The new center will expand Cherokee student enrollment and create new jobs for teachers and child care providers. We also opened a new food distribution center in Collinsville. This center will better serve Cherokee families by offering them healthy food choices in a safe environment. In Delaware County, our partnership with county officials resulted in a $9 million road project that will keep citizens safer. Lastly, we broke ground on a new health clinic in Jay. Expanded services and shorter wait times for our new clinic will improve health care for our people. These are just a handful of the things we are doing across the Cherokee Nation to make the lives better for our people. Wadeau.